Soccer taught me everything I know. I learned to respect my authority, maintain a high discipline, and the value of teamwork through this sport. There were few things I loved more than soccer. Not only did the sport keep me in great shape, but also gave me a satisfaction of accomplishment. Once I was introduced to working out, it was the same feeling. The two passions are very similar. Both require high levels of discipline, persistence to grow, and a drive to get better each opportunity you get to do it. The best part is, by bettering myself in the gym, I better myself in my other passions.